Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create sea waves text reveal editing using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before we start the editing, I'm going to show you how the sea waves text reveal editing looks like. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how we can create this editing using VN. Okay, I'm going to go back to the VN homepage and then I'm going to create a new project and choose video paste, and then I'm going to choose this waves video. All right, and then I'm going to add text to this project. So we're going to click on the text menu and select text and then add a heading, and I'm just going to type in waves. Okay, like this, and then I'm going to make it longer. Okay, you can make it longer according to your video, and then I'm going to place it here. Wait, let me take a look at the video. Okay, wait, I'm going to I'm gonna click on the text and wait, let me adjust it again. Okay, all right, and then I'm going to add mask to the text. We can select the text and then select mask, and then I'm going to choose linear mask, and we're going to turn the mask like this, and then I'm going to adjust the mask. All right, and wait, let me play it. Okay, then for the first position, I'm going to add keyframe. Okay, you can click on this keyframe icon right here, and then I'm going to move it and drag the mask down. Okay, like this, and you can adjust it one by one. Okay, and then I'm going to add keyframe again, and then I'm going to make the text completely gone. Okay, and let's play it. Okay, wait for the first one guys. I'm going to make it like this, and wait, let me add one keyframe. I'm going to add one keyframe here. Okay, and let me play it. Okay, it looks quite good. And then I'm going to make it appear again. Wait, I'm going to split the text. Split it, and wait. And I'm going to make the text appear. Oops, sorry. I'm going to add keyframe. Wait, let me go back to the mask and add keyframe here. And wait. And this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.